This 73-acre Maine property offers open fields, wooded land, a farmhouse, and the kind of privacy that's hard to find. Located in Cornville, it's a rare blend of agricultural potential and peaceful country living. From the moment you arrive, the landscape sets the tone. Rolling open fields transition into a large wooded area, creating a diverse setting perfect for farming, recreation, or simply enjoying nature. The convenient half bath with laundry and a mudroom entry. The primary bedroom is also located on the main floor, featuring its own full bath and private deck, perfect for quiet mornings overlooking the land. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms and another full bathroom, offering plenty of space for family or guests. An attached 2-car garage adds convenience, with additional shed space connecting the home and garage for storage or workshop use. Whether you're storing equipment, tools, or outdoor gear, there's room for it all. The property is rich with wildlife, with frequent deer sightings and a natural environment that changes beautifully with the seasons. Whether you're looking to start a farm, create a homestead, or simply enjoy wide open space, this land offers endless possibilities. Located just a short drive from Skowhegan, you'll have easy access to shopping, dining, and essential services while still enjoying the peace of rural Maine.